What is up, everybody? Okay, so we're gonna test out them new AI tools inside of Photoshop. See how cool it is. Okay, this is a ridiculously old Unreal render that I've done years ago, but it has a lot of different things in there. So I thought, okay, let's try a couple of things. Alright. So I don't know. Let's start. I mean, you can take anything you want here. Let's take the lasso tool and let's take this table here and let's just say generate a fill, and let's put table with a lot of candles, and let's generate it. Let's see what happens. This is pretty much one of the first times I'm using this, so you know, I've seen a video or two on it, so this is a complete noob look at something like this. Okay. That's okay. And then on the side here, you get variations that you can go through. Variations that you can go and look at, and actually, you know, not too bad. Let's do that again. Let's make sure that we grab everything and generate, and let's just I'm not gonna put anything in there. I'm just gonna say generate a fill, no prompt, Ari, and generate, and this should just take away the table, just make it beautiful, fit in with the rest of the environment, Ari. So let's have a look here. Okay, that actually did a pretty damn good job. Cool. Okay, so let's put something here, and let's say, let's prompt it, generate the fill, and let's prompt it. Skull table with a lot of candles. Candles. Halloween. I don't know how much of a prompt you can give it, Ari. Can you just prompt the damn thing? So that's what art's become, huh? Prompting. You can just prompt it, which is a little bit weird. Okay, so that's pretty whatever. Okay. I mean, not the best. Let's take away Halloween here. So on the side here, you can still go back over here, and you can keep generating different prompts, so you can refine your whatever you want to do. So that's not too bad. Okay, that's nicer. That's a lot better. That's a lot better, Harry. I like that one, Harry. So let me just see something here. Okay, so it generated on different layers. That's cool, man. That's cool. So over here, you can literally flatten that. You can flatten it, you know. Okay. And okay, so that's pretty damn cool. So from there, you can also just go in and you can say blur, and if you wanted to, you can Gaussian blur, just so it fits in a little bit better or something. So that's actually pretty damn cool, man. Wow. Okay. I prompted it. So over here, I can maybe, you know, you can do things like if I take this face and you want to change the expression, you can't really do that. It'll give you a total different new face. Like if I say happy, and I just prompt it again. Once again, this is an absolute noob look at the new AI tools in Photoshop. You know, just messing around, seeing what you can do, what they do. What the fuck is that? Jeez, like, wow, huh? Interesting. Happy face. Happy child. Happy child face. Alright, let's prompt that. It's generating new ones, Ari. Let's prompt it. But actually, you know, that's not too bad, actually. That's a thing, though. I mean, it's all on layers. Wow, man. Wow. Okay. This is kind of scary, man. Jesus, what the? Wow. Okay. This is kind of crazy, man. This is kind of crazy. Shit. Let's put hanging decorations. Halloween. And I prompt that one. We're gonna prompt that. You know, and at the end of the day, you can just go in and fix a lot of the stuff up by hand. This is quite insane, man. Ugh. Yeah. Okay. I prompted it, and this is what the prompt gave me. So what I can do, Ari, is I can just go in and take this blur and just, for now, just Gaussian blur. Just put it in a little bit like that. Yeah. Man, you can start doing some crazy things here, huh? Let's see here. For shits and giggles, Ari. Let's put water. What are they called? Fountain. What are they called? Is it just called a little fountain? Okay, let's just put a fountain. I see what Ari. Ari. So I mean, you can take an existing image and just go quite crazy on the thing, isn't it? This is quite interesting, though. This is quite interesting. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, you could just do it. If you don't like it, take the layer, chuck it away. Huh. Let's take this hand here. Let's say you want to get rid of it, right? You can just say generate full. Don't add any pro. And generate, and it should just take it away. This is pretty damn cool. I'm not gonna lie, Harry. This is quite crazy. Bam, it's gone. Now look, there's a few little artifacts. Huh. The first one was the best one. There's a few little artifacts, but those, I mean, you know, you're in Photoshop, you can fix it. Let's put scary hand and arm clenching, something like that, mate. Something like that. Let's just say what it does. We encourage an issue with your prompt. Please view our guidelines again if there's an error for your feedback. What's the bloody error? Monster hand. That's a little bit weird. I'm not going to lie. That's a little bit weird, Ari. I suppose there's some things you can't say, but I don't know what I said there that would have whatever that. So I suppose it's behind the layers. So if I bring it to the top, and then you can start choosing. Oh, jeez, that's not great. Creature hand clenching. We encountered an issue with your prompt. Okay, I don't know. Take out clenching then, right? Okay, so I mean, you can see some things. I'm sure you just gotta prompt better, you know. There we go. I don't know what I have, but it's there. Huh? Did I actually get the fingers right? Probably not. Oh, and it actually fitted in that. Wow. Okay. So, yeah. I mean, it's pretty cool. It's pretty damn cool. Okay, so here's an image I just took quick with the camera. And let's see what we can do here. Let's say that we wanted like a swimming pool, right? Swimming pool. I don't know. swimming pool with water. With water. Let's see if we can get a swimming pool with water. I mean, this is pretty cool though. For little fix-ups and little things that you want to add. I mean, this is quite insane. Really and truly. I mean, AI would fit in Photoshop perfectly. I mean, look, boom. You got a pool. You got variations, mate. Look at that. Variations. Wow, it even puts the crap still on there. You see that? I mean, that's pretty damn sweet, man. That kind of fits it in. And then from there, if you're not happy with it, you can, you're in Photoshop. You can do whatever the hell you want. You can go to the, is it blue, mate? And you can start changing, probably, is it cyan, mate? Yeah, cyan. You can start messing with things over here. Blending it in a bit better. That's insane, mate. That's bloody insane. That's bloody good. That's changing the whole thing. I mean, that's pretty damn cool. Wow. And if I want to say over here, let's just say creature staring out doorway. Probably not a great prompt. It's probably not a great prompt. But I don't know. Maybe I should, make the selection better. Oh, jeez. Okay. There it is. Huh. That's incredible. And let's put just something here and put like light rays. Let's just see if that prompts. Hey mate, what are you doing today? I'm prompting. What do you mean? It means I'm prompting. I'm going to work. I'm going to prompt. There we go. That's not great. Generate some more. If you don't like it, you can generate the more. Yeah, I quite like this. This is quite crazy. I mean, it's not perfect. It's not perfect, but this can help you. I mean, if you're looking for an item or an element or something, this is incredible. This is awesome. That's not great. Let's put sunlight shafts. Maybe something like that. Because that prompt's not that good. It doesn't work that good. It's not what I want. I don't want a big green blob sitting like that. Like a huge cock or something. Right, let's have a look. Yeah. No. Okay, so that it just didn't understand. But man, look at that. That's cool. Wow. Okay, and if you don't like something, you can just delete it. That's the beauty of this. What about if I just put from here, I just put God rays. That's it, God rays. God rays. Not God taze. God taze means nothing. I messed that prompt up. God taze. No, I don't know what that is. That is weird. Rays. Rays. Okay. Yeah, interesting. Very, very interesting indeed. Wow. This is very interesting. I'm going to play with this a hell of a lot more and see. But I mean, if you got Photoshop, there we go. That's a bit better. That's a bit better. Look at that, William. Look at that. That's a lot better. Something like that, maybe. Put it on screen or something. Then you can just go in with your brush. Not that big, Harry. And just, okay, smart object, alright. And then you can just blend it in. Just normally, like you would any God ray. You can just start blending it in. Wow, okay, man. Yeah, this is powerful. Look, man, this is just a quick noob's look at this kind of stuff. I think it's I think it's quite cool. I think it's really cool, man. I think it's quite impressive. Like if I grab something here, you've got like these little buttons here which you can transform selection, select borders, smooth selection, expand, just a little bit of control over that crap. What's this crap? Oh, inverting selection, mask selection, content aware fill, foreground color, background, white, okay, so you got all that stuff. You can add filters to it, hide bar, deselect, okay, man. So, I mean, there's a lot, right? There's a lot. And then you can prompt it. Let's do one more prompt. Let's put graffiti. That's probably spelled wrong, right? I don't know how to spell it, but graffiti of aliens. Just keep it really cool, Kill, like the kill kids. Yeah, okay. Let's see what we get. Last one. And then I'm going to call it a day, people. I'm going to go, I get it. I get it, mate. Wow, look at these kind of variations, man. You can create anything. This is insane. Look, I'm going to take this one away because it wasn't right. It was a wrong prompt. Because it was inverted. So I'm just going to go here, put alien, graffiti alien. And from there, let's see what a prompt gives us. So what do you do as a profession? A prompt. And obviously you can become creative with your prompts. I'm not sure how creative. I'm going to have to test that and see. But there we go, man. There we go. And then you've got like different kind of... I mean, this is so fast. And you're in Photoshop. You can do whatever you want with that image afterwards. You can do whatever you want. You can prompt it. You can prompt it even further. You can prompt the bloody bastard. Very exciting, man. Very exciting. Let's just do that. So you can add your kind of motion blur there, and then it goes a little bit blurrier. You see, I'm not going to do all that prompting now. I'm not going to do all that prompting now, but all that work. But you can see clearly. You can start fitting things in and stuff. This is insane. And let me just see something. Yeah, you can still go back and prompt it with your filter on top of it. Smart filters. Holy shit. This is insane. This is insane, man. Anyway, I hope this helps. This is incredible, really. I mean, this kind of AI, using it like this in works and being able to fix it up, I'm okay with this. This is okay. What I'm not okay with is, pretty girl. And it becomes a work of art, prompt masters. But using it like this, man, I think this is incredible. Anyway, people, I hope you have a great time. Thanks for joining me at this noob look at AI in Photoshop, and I'll speak to you guys soon. Bye, guys.